Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this week video, I'm going to show you how I made this popping champagne cake for a family member. First, I found a picture of a champagne bottle online, printed on an icing sheet, and traced it onto a piece of white fondant. Then I carefully cut it out and set it aside to dry. Next, I assembled the cake. It was a lemon butter cake with cream cheese filling. It's a small 5-inch cake, just perfect for a family gathering of about 10 people. After stacking the 4 layers, I crumb-coated the cake and placed it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Once it was set, I added another layer of buttercream, smoothing it out as best as I could. Just a tip, when covering your cake with buttercream, you might notice small holes or imperfections, so just patch those areas with a bit more buttercream and smooth it out again using a cake scraper. That will give you a clean, flawless finish. Now for the decorations, I wrapped the stems of my gold balls with floral tape. Then I placed the champagne bottle image at the front of the cake. I mixed edible pearls in different sizes and shades of gold to create a bubbly effect. I added a few large gold balls on top and placed the smaller pearls one by one to mimic the look of champagne bubbles bursting from the bottle. I think this design is simple yet elegant. It's a perfect idea for birthdays. You can definitely recreate this at home yourself. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more cake decorating videos from me. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.